Ambassadors of Hope. This is how we've done it every time. For Texas, North and South Carolina, the Panhandle, the Keys, updated you all. Like we always say, it's thanks to you all that we're able to do this, come out here and help. We're making it into Englewood. We're gonna do what we can here to set up this pod. And right now, within the next 10 minutes, there should be a pallet of basic essentials being dropped off. And again, we've got these things that you all were so gracious to help us collect. This stuff came from Lincoln's Beard Brewery as well as Buy Me Bait Shack. So on the go. I only had coconut water, so coconut water, Leoncito Cafecito, Lion's Mane, and Cuban coffee. Much needed. We're quite exhausted. Waiting on this pallet to arrive so that we can unload it. And we plan to go around as best as we can to see what's going on and how we can help before going back to Miami. And again, this will be ongoing. As long as it's productive, it'll be ongoing. We unloaded the Jeep and we're making cafecito. This cafecito here has lion's mane in it, red flower fungi. Hooked us up with a bag of it and we're really excited about trying this coffee. Yeah, we're in Englewood, Florida, everybody. Thanks to Ambassadors of Hope far and near, we were able to collect a Jeep full of donations, get enough funds to get here and get back. The Smile Trust is providing a pallet worth of essentials, basic needs, insure, which there is a lot of elderly in this area, so that's a great necessity. We still need chainsaws, chainsaw oil, gas tanks. We need wood. If anybody can get wood, we need wood to shutter up like windows, for example, and stuff like that. Windows got blown out. And then we're gonna need hands on deck. So maybe we can caravan over here, get a big bus. Yes, with coconut water. Out here, Englewood Chambers of Commerce, helping the people, coming together. Shout out to all the Ambassadors of Hope who make this possible. Shout out to Leoncito Cafecito, que rico. Appreciate you. Big love to everybody that makes these initiatives possible. Let's get this coffee. And let me clean my burner.
I'm so excited about this right now, you all have no idea. 3-hour drive.
So the Leoncito with the coconut water? What? The truck is arriving and we're about to get going on unload. To arrive now, it's a matter of organizing it all. Yeah.
Probably good. Right around there is another area.
Okay, and where are we right now?
Right here. Right here.
All right. Oh, okay, right here. The man, the myth, the legend himself as my co-pilot. And we made like little packs of it. And we're going now into some neighborhoods that are wrecked. A ver si quieren un poco de esto. That way they don't have to go over there. And then we're going to my... Sorry.
There's a screw in there.
Oh, wow, dude. Of course there is. Well, we need to find plugs like they were telling us. 15 feet of storm surge. You know?
Yeah.
Cedar Point.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Refreshing. So are you.
Yeah.
Every time he comes by now, I just go out and I tell him how much I love him every time he comes. Give it.
She's so right. We're just helping here. Incredible experience. Another incredible experience. And Danny was saying that a good idea would be to get rakes donated, some heavy duty rakes. That is something that gets overseen and it's something that's needed.
Yo, we're good. Sorry.
You're good. Thank you.
Like it's so much cooler in my house.
That's so
you
true.
know, and
That
it's
is a big-
quieter in
Yeah,
there,
yeah.
that kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Did you guys get storm surge here?
Yeah.
I mean, like how much? How many feet you think? No, baby. It's called intense.
Nothing happened to us, okay?
Yeah.
Because you know why. You know why God did tell Noah to build the ark.
The ark.
It's funny.
I believe in God, like always, you know, but I've never.
And all of a sudden,